Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. Experience effortless lawn care with a traditional power-free cutting solution that keeps your yard neat and well-trimmed. The best manual push mower offers clean cuts, quiet performance, and an eco-friendly approach ideal for homeowners who value simplicity, precision, and reliability. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. American 14-inch push mower. The American 14-inch push mower offers a reliable and simple way to maintain small lawns without the noise or maintenance of gas-powered machines. Its 4-blade reel system creates a clean scissor cut that helps grass stay healthy and avoids the tearing effect common in rotary blades. Weighing just 19 pounds, it's easy to maneuver, and the 8.5-inch polymer wheels keep it steady even on slightly uneven ground. With an adjustable cutting height from 0.5 to 1.75 inches, it performs best when grass is kept below 4 inches, making regular mowing the key to a smooth finish. Since reel mowers cut only what passes between the blades, letting grass grow too long requires more overlapping passes. Used on dry, well-maintained lawns, this mower delivers an impressively consistent cut without gas, oil, or complicated upkeep. It's an excellent choice for homeowners seeking an eco-friendly, quiet, and straightforward push mower that keeps lawn care relaxed and stress-free. Number 2. Great States 14-inch push mower. The Great States 14-inch push mower is a solid option for homeowners who want a smooth, natural cut without relying on engines or fuel. Its 4-blade reel system uses a true scissor-action trimming method that leaves grass healthier and cleaner than the tearing motion of rotary mowers. The 14-inch cutting width is ideal for smaller lawns, providing enough coverage to finish quickly while still feeling lightweight and easy to guide. Its heat-treated alloy steel blades hold their sharpness well and can be resharpened as needed, giving the mower a long, usable life. With adjustable cutting heights between 0.5 and 1.75 inches, you can tailor the lawn's appearance to your preference throughout the season. The 8.5-inch polymer wheels provide smooth movement and good control around tight corners and edges. Since it requires no gas, oil, or tune-ups, this mower is a quiet, environmentally friendly choice for anyone who prefers low-maintenance yard care with a clean finish. Number 3. Scott's 14-inch push mower. The Scott's 14-inch push mower is built for homeowners who prefer precision and ease in a manual mower. Its 5-blade reel design provides a finer cut than 4-blade models, using heat-treated alloy steel blades that stay sharp and glide smoothly through well-maintained turf. With a cutting height range of 0.5 to 1.75 inches, it works best when the lawn is mowed regularly and kept below 3 to 4 inches. The lightweight frame and cushioned T-style handle make it comfortable to push, while the 8.5-inch composite wheels offer smooth maneuverability. Like all reel mowers, it performs the cleanest cut on dry grass and debris-free lawns, so removing sticks and tall weeds beforehand helps achieve better results. Scott's recommends overlapping passes slightly when grass gets taller to maintain an even finish. For homeowners who want a quiet and eco-friendly mowing experience while still achieving a neat, healthy-looking lawn, this model offers dependable performance and ease of use. Number 4. Walensee 16-inch push mower. The Walensee 16-inch push mower stands out for its wider 16-inch cutting path, efficiency, and durable construction. Its 5 precision ground blades deliver a smooth, scissor-like cut that helps maintain thick, healthy grass across small and medium-sized lawns. The curved blade design adds strength and helps the mower maintain sharpness longer, while the adjustable height settings from 0.5 to 1.5 inches allow you to fine-tune the lawn's appearance throughout the season. The included large grass catcher is one of its most convenient features, collecting clippings efficiently and reducing the number of stops needed to empty the bag. With 8.5-inch self-lubricating wheels, the mower moves smoothly and maintains good traction even on slightly uneven surfaces. It performs best when the lawn is dry and free of twigs or stones, as clearing debris beforehand prevents interruptions during mowing. Number 5. EAGWON 5-Blade Push Mower. The EAGWON 5-Blade Push Mower delivers a clean, precise cut while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. Its 5 heat-treated blades slice through grass with a true scissor action that promotes healthier growth, especially when mowing dry grass under 4 inches tall. With a 14-inch cutting width and adjustable height settings from 0.6 to 1.8 inches, it suits small to medium lawns well. One of its standout features is the ergonomic U-shaped handle, which reduces back strain and offers excellent steering control around garden beds, edges, and narrow spaces. Weighing just 16.75 pounds, it glides smoothly on its 6.5-inch composite wheels, giving it great maneuverability. The removable 7-gallon catcher bag collects clippings effectively and detaches easily for fast emptying. Built with corrosion-resistant steel and low-maintenance components, this mower requires only simple blade cleaning after each use. Choosing the best manual push mower ensures a cleaner cut, quieter operation, and a more eco-friendly approach to lawn care. With its durability, simplicity, and low maintenance needs, it's an excellent option for anyone who enjoys hands-on yard work and wants reliable performance season after season.